Hello, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this elegant high bun, perfect if you're going to any weddings or prom. Before styling, I'm prepping my hair with dry shampoo to give more grip and volume. To start, you want to divide your hair into 3 sections. The front 2 sections should be from the crown to the back of your ear, and you want to clip these out of the way. Then with that middle section, you want to brush this up into a high ponytail. You can smooth any flyaways with hairspray. To create the bun, twist your ponytail up and clockwise. Then place your hand above on one side of the ponytail, creating a loop around your hand. Wrap the ends up and over so that your fingers can then grab the ends of the ponytail and bring them back through the loop. Once you're happy with the shape, you can then start to bobby pin everything in place, making sure to separate the bobby pins to give more grip so they stay in place. You can then continue wrapping the ends around the bun. Now to create the crisscross detail, take down the 2 front sections and brush these back. You can use hairspray to tame any flyaways and keep the sections together. Bring these sections back and cross them over each other. Then you want to wrap the ends up and around both sides of the bun, crossing them over each other again at the top, and then secure the ends in place with bobby pins. You can also tuck the ends under the bun to hide them. So this is the final look. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.